For centuries we have gazed upon the silent, verdant world of plants and marveled at their beauty. Their vibrant colors and intricate patterns have inspired countless works of art and poetry. From the delicate petals of a rose to the towering majesty of ancient trees, plants have always held a special place in our hearts and imaginations. We've admired their resilience, their ability to thrive in the harshest environments. In deserts where water is scarce, in rocky terrains where soil is thin, and in climates where weather conditions are extreme, plants have found ways to adapt and flourish. Their survival strategies are nothing short of miraculous, showcasing nature's ingenuity and tenacity. But what if this stillness, this apparent passivity, masks a world of complex communication? What if beneath the surface, plants are engaged in a silent dialogue, exchanging information in ways we are only beginning to understand? Recent scientific discoveries suggest that plants are far more dynamic and interactive than we ever imagined. What if plants, in their own subtle ways, speak to one another? Through their roots, leaves, and even the air around them, plants may be sharing vital information. They might be communicating about nutrient availability, water sources, or even potential threats. This hidden language of plants is a fascinating frontier in the study of botany. Science is now revealing that plants, far from being silent observers, are engaged in a constant exchange of information. Researchers have discovered that plants can release chemical signals to warn each other of herbivore attacks or to attract beneficial insects. These interactions are crucial for their survival and well-being. This intricate network, woven through roots and leaves, air and soil, is essential for their survival. It allows plants to form symbiotic relationships with fungi and bacteria, enhancing their ability to absorb nutrients and water. The interconnectedness of plant life is a testament to the complexity and interdependence of ecosystems. They warn each other of impending dangers, share resources, and even engage in cunning acts of defense, all through a language we are only beginning to understand. For instance, some plants can release volatile organic compounds to signal nearby plants to bolster their defenses. Others can alter their growth patterns to outcompete rivals or to better capture sunlight. It is a language whispered through chemical signals, released into the air and soil, carrying messages both subtle and profound. These signals can travel through the mycorrhizal networks in the soil, connecting plants over vast distances. The more we learn about this hidden communication, the more we realize how little we know about the inner lives of plants. These messages, these whispers of sun and soil, are the lifeblood of the plant world, a testament to the intricate web of connections that binds all living things. They remind us that even the quietest corners of nature are filled with life and activity, and that every leaf, root, and flower is part of a grand, interconnected tapestry. One of the most fascinating discoveries in recent years is the role of RNA in plant communication. This discovery has opened up a new understanding of how plants interact with their environment and with each other. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a molecule crucial for all forms of life. It is involved in various biological roles including coding, decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. While often overshadowed by its more famous cousin DNA, RNA plays a critical role in carrying genetic information and directing the production of proteins. In essence, RNA is the workhorse that translates the genetic code into functional proteins. In plants, however, RNA takes on an expanded role. Beyond its basic functions, RNA is integral to the plant's ability to respond to its environment. It acts as a messenger, carrying vital information between different parts of the plant. This communication is essential for the plant's survival and adaptation. Think of it as the plant's internal email system, transmitting instructions and warnings from root to leaf, from flower to stem. This system ensures that the plant can react swiftly to changes and threats. When a plant is attacked by pests or faces environmental stress, specific RNA molecules are produced. These molecules are like distress signals, alerting the plant to danger. These molecules travel through the plant's vascular system, much like blood flowing through our veins, carrying warnings to distant parts of the plant. This internal communication network is vital for the plant's defense mechanisms. This allows the plant to mount a rapid and coordinated defense, protecting itself from harm. By understanding this intricate language of leaves, scientists hope to unlock new ways to enhance plant resilience and productivity.